going half-peeled apple with the apple skin spelling the word apple, something like that. Now I go to this thing on the right side, which is improve prompt. So I'm like, please improve my very mediocre prompt because I did a bad job. So it's a partially consumed apple, skin peeled off to spell the word apple, sits on the table, the fruit, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to put it on cinematic because I want like photorealism with my apple skin. Now, because I am saying that I want the word to be made out of a material, that it's going to make that. Now, if I just wanted like an apple with text above in like a blocky font, I would just say that. Or I would say I want it in a cursive font, or I want it sans serif, or I want like, so you can articulate which kind of font you're aiming for. Or if you want the word to be spelled out of something. I saw a lot of really, really fun creative stuff online where like, gosh, I don't know, like words are spelled out of like lots of puppy dogs and all this other random stuff. So it's a really easy way of going about that. These images are just hyper complex, which is really exciting. And I think like getting that motion is really important. So being able to work back and forth on things. Oh, there you go. That's my apple. Okay, cute. So yeah, like it's been able to kind of carve it out. That one's spelt wrong. So I would go it again and make sure we're spelt correctly. That one's cute, a bit weird. I would spell it again. Change the word to apple. So to be a bit more clear. I'll try again. And then another thing I wanted to do was like change the scene. So maybe if I'm like, no, I want the scene to be different. I might put this through and I'm going to go like, I don't know, make the background a lunchbox. A lunchbox. I don't know, something like that. Okay, so yeah, this is like a very different way of I worked previously. We're going to go into image guidance in just a second, but yeah, I think this is kind of going to be changing how we go about our iterating. Like I think this is really something very special and seamless, and with a few words you can kind of create something amazing, which is cool. Okay, I'll let that quickly roll. There we go. Okay, so it's spelled the word properly now. I think that initial render was just trying to get everything in, whereas I can be a bit more specific. I'm going to go with this one.